All right, guys. Today we're unboxing this smartwatch. It's called a Havit H1104, which is a smartwatch similar to let's say like a Fitbit. What it does, it counts your steps, and it can actually pair with your phone, where it can send you notifications about texts. It has a lot of health things built in, like to check your pressure, check your heartbeat, monitor your sleep. So it has a lot of cool features inside. It can control your phone music, so you can use it to control your music. So it has a lot of cool features. Let's unbox it today, so we can see what it's all about. Unbox it. So here's the watch itself. It comes with a black band. It says 30 days long lasting standby time. Inside you get this, which is the manual with the instructions, and you get a nice what is this, the charger, so you can charge your phone. So I did put it in charge so to make sure it worked before we set it up before the video. So I did get it to charge, and pretty much what you want to do is to charge it. It has this sensor. I guess this is probably for the health stuff, the sensor. And then this is the charging connector, which you will connect it to a wall cube, and then to the wall, and then put the watch on top of it, and that's how you would charge your new Havit watch. So to pair your watch, you would have to download the Fondue Pro app. You would go to the more settings and go to my device and connect it. Once you have it connected, you can actually see your steps. You can actually see your distance you walked, your sleep statistics, your walking. A lot of info that's built in with the app as your watch monitors everything. So here's my sleep report, how many hours I slept. You can change it by date. There's a lot of things you can test on this watch. So once you have the watch pair, you can see all these notifications, like how many steps you have for the day, the date, the time. Then you can slide in here and check out your steps. It'll tell you, I'm guessing that's calories, 195.3 calories. So it gives you these facts. One that I like about was the sleeping, to see how many hours I actually slept. I was having trouble sleeping some nights, and I was told to track my sleeping, and I can actually see like through the app, through the phone, like how my sleeping patterns are. So here it is, and then here's like I've tracked it 2 days how I slept. So like it'll tell you like when you're in deep sleep and when you're in light sleep. Also, another thing, you can check like your heart rate, oxygen. If you have the notifications on, you can actually check your text messages and stuff like that. Set an alarm, mess with your music, check the weather. It has a lot of cool features built in. Find your phone, set a timer, set a stopwatch. So the watch, I mean, overall, it has a sensor in the back. You can charge it with a little charger, and it's nice, and it's not heavy, and it's nice and durable, and it's also waterproof. So it's a nice watch. Well, this is what the watch looks like. Right now I'm checking my BPM, and it's loading, and I guess that's my BPM right now. So overall, nice strap, feels durable. It's water resistant, so you don't have to worry about it. So nice phone, nice smartwatch.